Say hello.
Hello.
Right, that's my brother pushing the wheelbarrow. Anyway, guys, good morning. Guys, welcome to these videos at very special. It's Alman over here. We thank God for the gift of life. And in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. So right now, I'm just around at my home. Oh, I see the eagle passing there. So that's the reason why the cock making noise. So yesterday, it was on Saturday, and we are doing some work here and there. We wanna build my grandma house right there. So I think 20 iron sheets. And on these videos, I'm shooting on Sunday. There's some people waiting me right there, so they want to remove the logs. So actually, that's the work for today. Before we move ahead, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you everybody for your best wishes. Right now, I'm quickly recover, and I thank God for this far, because back 6 days, I think close to 1 week, I was struggling with my chest here and there, and also I realized it's ammonia. We call it pneumonia or ammonia, pneumonia, things like that. So I ran immediately to the chemistry or a doctor. I get the tablets, so I finish up and I feel better. So for those people who wishes me Hello Baby quick recover, thank you so much, and may God bless you a million times. So on these videos, I'm gonna head at the back of my mama house, because I'm trying, guys, to see whether I can build a perimeter wall, not for our entire home, no. So I'm going there to try to see whether I can build a small perimeter wall. There's a place I show you guys. If you're watching my videos keenly, I'm trying my best. So my engineer, by tomorrow, he will be here, and then we discuss what are needed, and then boom. So let's go, man. I'm telling you, it's better in the morning here. People just pull up. You know, these nice dishes right here. You can see some small hen. Hey. Alright. So for my new subscriber, this I'm calling home, and nothing to be changed but transformation. You know, I see my African mom. Let's her say hello to you. Mama, say good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning to you, ma'am.
I am fine.
Hey. My mama, she just wake up right now, so I'm heading this way to see what's going on. People are still waiting me here. Wow, our beautiful cow are grazing. I think this is our pregnant cow right here. Huh? Oh, eh. Skongai. Huh? Amangari. Look at that. Skongai. Kaya mwikai.
Hello, hello, good morning.
Ndio mwako ni vitu.
Hawa hizi isimu Komoro. Muna gani tata?
Weta.
Ambati wende. Kore yo kugamba.
Sana mangana.
Makoko gawa no kugamba.
Guys, I want to remove these logs here, because the perimeter will be running here, touching to my grandma house, and then going this way, touching to my brother's house right here. So it's a small perimeter wall, not huge. Aichire. Ngwe.
Kuri metega na ngiye ke hayo mirigeyo kana hata kuri yeye ni tu te kita ko tolo ko ba mane anda ri ko ngamba ndo ko mane make ba mane tingo saya ge iki hatte gende ngo
imagine guys, look like this. We wanna remove it, this one, all of them. So because it's a serious work, the perimeter running here, right here, we want to remove this, you know, so it will come up this place here. I think the first pillar I would put here. You see right here, I'm gonna put the first pillar here, boom, and then it's go this way, that way. So when I'm going to demolish my house, it could give me easy work, you know, keeping my equipment like wheelbarrow, spade, yeah, security to be very, very tight. You know, this log, you can see even here. Hey. Okay guys, you see a serious work. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the work have been started officially. Look, only $100 to go. Guys, me, I'm telling you, when I'm around in my village here, I just work with my neighbor within here. Yeah? Yeah? No. Wow guys. So that's the starting, you know, the starting is very tough. When they remove maybe like two, boom. Kiombenege so. Gombe igo aso na acha tukimsingire kwa benera. Ngodigo kwa chongo nyapokera achire. Guys, I'm telling them when I'm starting the foundation here, it could be easy. Right? So guys, also let me go this way and then I'll come to check the work how it's going on. Alright guys, I think yeah, there's some hands inside there. So I think right now the work is going on and hey, things have been falling down. Guys, one have already fallen down. You see right there. Let me show you guys. This one here. This one here. You see, one have already fallen down, and it's very tough. You can find out your name. I can't know it. Ah, it's one chinchero for him.
No, maybe Subia no me.
Hey.
Ikiniga Mungu no manene. Anagesaka no kankre ko bahanu bino bitakai. We don't know how to
look guys. Ano maganda yung orang nanda korento orang baka guys nyumba. Pole.
Kana kira gen ton tarak.
Eh.
Corre para no estar un músico.
Tat. Mahod. Man, I'm telling you, this tough job here.
Trying to work out different.
But a man can try. This is Africa.
This is difficult.
But other place, you bring some excavator, bulldozer, removing the logs. Yeah. Hey. Look, even this guys down, we find something. This, I think I'll go to Boratan and bring some chemical. Look, look, guys. Look. So guys, are the preparation of the perimeter wall here.
What is the perimeter?
Perimeter. Okay. That. Guys, for now I'm trying my best, you know. So when we finish my grandma's house, I'll be here. So I think 3 tippers for the stones will be finished up, and then yeah, things like that. Because I already have the sand, I'll use 1 tipper. Boom. So guys, it's time to build Africa, brick by brick, you know, block by block. But it is what it is, man. Me, I'm just doing my things, you know, slowly. No pressure, no competition, you know. So I decided to cover perimeter wall here, so to be secure, you know. Hi. Ayo kata kenge. Ni oge soko na oge temi kinyosi. Karambe kyo ato koi kiro. Okoro musunkun. So guys, we are talking about that one. We push them to fall down, and then we come on this side here. You see, it's going around. Yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm on the road of 8K subscriber. I really appreciate, guys, you know. I'm pushing myself little by little. So I'm waiting this. When it's out, we will celebrate. Metega no kata kachiro ko hata no mokam. Kono kaya na tuke kukisimahara.
Na rante biri samoke. Eri kama saa 3 na nusu saa hii na ndaruhaniga ndaje kujaka.
Kata nitawesha muntu.
Nyamwera hete galante bwe kerangete. Samoke kerangete. Bwe tese sere ya waegasa. Ando kwa kera kisuhe. Sinkama hakira Kenya ndenge hara gakaheta kikacha kuchoya bono gakaheta onse hayo kabima kagamegera ni nyitira nani kuina haraman rakora shortcut mahali
era ronche kwa ngaka burikiri pongogo
ala penguse mona wetu mona hanjere sa roche
que no coge ni shoka hayo
mokora no kuchakogecha anyuri ase
no pain no gain no surrender.
Yeso temku kanisa. Nubigo tora haruwe kanisa wenyu ka.
Agote kan. Okay guys.
Angangu se. Oh, kana kwani nyangi ka. Agantu aruge yuka. Toka nyura ka sumali mukwa. Ora taka ke. Oge banne yango somo. Sumali kana ndo ko hadma. Saka.
Bueno. Oh. Kaya mo ka timbre kira singis.
Sasa nkira singis. Sasa kiringe kengi. Chibosa chisohere. Ora erika kuhiri mitumba.
Aringa mo.
Sasa mugibona wiki hana hagakire. Kayonka. Aguguru. Oh. Muno bro. Chibesi chintambi ngine na ngine. Oya bako. Ngene mo ko kuma muri gonde go gono. Mahana gono. Kuna mahana gono. Muri na gono. Kono ngo yimukiri emote gono.
Alright guys, they're fetching water for drinking right now here. So it's a serious work going on. Hey, my dog didn't like people. I don't know why. Bruno, say hello. Long time, since morning. You good? This is my dog, guys. Look at the teeth. Anyway, right now here, they are preparing ugali. You see? It's a ugali. A lot. This sardine here. Also, the water have been already boiled. You know, you can see. For stewing ugali. Oh my god. What's up? So right now we're gonna start cooking ugali. Hey, bona. That's a Spanish word. Amadiko diko tayari. Katokotere. Kato mara ngutikumi. Ya niti. Liga? Wow. So look at this. Pregnant cow. We have a serious man here. Yeah. Oganki. Chinchi hey. Ona bana tebara kati saini ya kura kanisa higa. Look, even that one. Tengeneze dawa. Yeah. Tabu kimamba. Kwa hiyo bodi kana venye kimubai. Huh? Don't go have them so what to take.
Bobo vera kale bono no kohomero.
Stay giskelenta.
Kuranki atara nyata. Ara ikin ke ita ko ikara para sene dawa na yom. Ora ne dawa na henyo to mo.
These have red gone. Tata ya ku.
So tata toma. Na mari makiro kanona kona mari.
Tana
nyitanga boko.
Tani kiro tat.
Tato kena hapo. Tranqui, hori become.
Guys, I'm telling you, this is a serious work. Look, right here, right there. Right there. Look even at this one, guys. Here, magic. Look, going inside here. Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, I wanna look the best way how I can cook because no one is around here. Let's see. Hey. Muro wangu gachi soka ko marapa. Upanguse bugisikika tamma. And then now when I finish these issues from building my house, is to push this way, going boom. Okay. I'm mani pa marapa no mbuya kwa temetu fire. Alright guys, for now, the food is ready. We're gonna sit right there. So let me show you guys. You know, here we are going to the ratio of the people. It's to reduce water. And let me see the flour. Yeah, yes, my people. Right. Okay guys, let me fix my phone right there. So it's around I think 13:43. That's 1:43 p.m. our local time. So that's the time that I'm starting cooking this ugali here for my people who just working, you know. I'm keeping adding the flour. It is what it is, man. You know, fun everywhere. Guys, because I didn't have the cameraman, but I'll show you how we start the ugali. Like that. We left it to boil. Shh. Hey, shh. Shh. The hen is disturbing me here. Anyway, guys, we see at the end of the product, man. So maybe these are continuation videos. I will combine maybe by tomorrow's videos. It's depend, you know. So for now, oh, look at that. All right, guys. So right now there's ugali, you know. I was using this pipe to light the fire. You know, that's how everything it is. Because people are working on my people are working at my mom's place, so I need to make sure that they eat. Only today, but the normal day they will come and pay the money. I do favor only today. Today. It's time for lunch. Wait. Nobody's here. Tagamruan uchire nyuma muri. Asa hikyora. Wiki hata orara geren takore ba musiri. Haikya Mungu. Ngote biri. Ile kawaida. Wewe uchire bano bode kire kurangi. Wewe ni 200. Tegwa. Wata bo beboke amsini tora hapo 200. Masake hagi.
Tebakenge bantigiri boki. Kini nyuri chingiri. Tuwara na chokana.
Pona hano wakati nuchinyori. Mungu mwacha 200 barako. Ya msina kwenge uri byako. Doda ni hagi.
Kataka na mangana kana ma. Yuri bimena. Ore zantor.
Yeah. In hotel is around $1. I'm telling you, my friend. For sure.
$1
Yeah, guys. The good thing about me, from the bottom of my heart, people must eat. As long as you're looking at my side, you eat. Sikumambogi. Matakevita kambera.
Atakamanya kugutiga. Tatwe uko gasi. Tangi biri. Biri.
Hey, sakanyora rore. Mzee vipi hapo?
I'm waiting.
Guys, these are serious. The guys have already finished eating. Back to the job. Ooh. Guys, these are serious. The guys have already finished eating. Back to the job. Ooh. Alright guys, we are coming at the end of the work, and actually it's evening time right now as we speak here. So I'm gonna see men at work, you know. Yeah. Okay guys, actually today it's a tough day, trust me. Let's go and see. Yeah. I'm covering the chicks, guys. It's right there. You heard? Shh. Bruno, what's up? So because it's a crazy thing right here. Yeah, I lock like that because the reason why I've been crossing the gates, I'm going at the back, and my mama shows at my grandma. Wow. Right now I take my bike a little bit, so I'll go to look for the cash. It's a tough day, guys. Look. Guys, imagine. Yeah. People are so tired here, guys. Very. Yeah?
So, I want to talk with you, please.
Alright, guys. And also there's some insect staying on the ground. So after this, look, from there this way, come all this. Okay guys. Hey, muruchunga mugu. Tanya is here. So tired. Yeah. Hey, bakufanya bidii ndio ukule. As I'm telling him, you must work so hard so you can able to eat. Kukura maugali. Look. Oi. Oh. Imagine like this one. Doda. Akiore Doda. Guys, the sun is going that way, and then for now today we clear everything. People get payment, and I say God thank you. Look at that. So we're remaining with some few things. She kinda looking some stuff here. So we're remaining with this one right here, like this one, that one here. Look, all of this, you know, things like this one here. And it's by God's grace we finish in a good way. So tomorrow it's our last day to finish everything here. And then I do some organization to see how I can get 3 wheelbarrows and some 2 spade. I want to clear all those soil, throwing it on other side. No problem, guys. Wow. Huh? Right now the guy is so rich. Look the money. Look, I pay him. Alright guys, so right now it's day 2 removing the logs, and on these videos it's a combination of the videos. So for today and also for yesterday, and then building my grandma house, I'll do a combination of the video, guys, so stay tuned. Let's see what people doing here. Wow. Day 2. And I was doing a short live stream here, so thank you for those people who joining my live stream. You got hi. Yani maha ato mangara konongo kenga tore. Eh? Daddy Hobart. Oh. Daddy baheva kosora. Daddy wane kwani daddy no wangu. Yes guys, day 2. Start to mahirande. Takuya ya wansanso. Ano penke konsombra sawa. I'm working, I'm hard. Sigo ati motata kongecha para mohor. Asigo maiga wigotere. Ohun. Ole kana ono ka kuimia mahindoro tema ukora no kyo nyakore mambarera. Na ole po 250 ukore haya 200. Onyakore. Kana ro kuimia mahindi. As I'm telling him, the work is going on here. Mora bangu isi mora wiki kana eno nengana ke. Moi. Teni. Kwani we hukuo kiguku? Ha ni hayo bene. Kana bantu bana. You have the stones. Ha ni to bis. Ta chenchero han. Unto na to rehano. Right. Kana ambore nangwe. Kana unukura complain na utore higisikikyo kemani pa. Kena kemani pa. Eh. Maana poloko sokyo inakyo. Mana nekeo. Brata sokyo ngawansa kubinganye kuru. Na wansa. Guys, I'm telling you, that's serious work. Yesterday we worked on the other side. Today is here. Yo kamba nyandi. Today is here. Na yesterday is here. After yesterday is here. Yesterday is here. Na today is here. How about it? Mukir ba ko te me fensas ko ni kinu pego. Unintam. Bayo bana kanya kesimi. Oh guys. Ayo ko dikina. Sari wana kesu bada. Imagine since 6 guys I started my videos. It's very tough for those people watching my live stream up to now. Foto tarata ambi mwesuka. Le temero bakam hindi ga temero ndani mora. Nguru dana. Ata ke toki ke temero na yo to kene stan. Nani wa babe hak. Makaya. Ona kuile sukuri Mario Museti. Makaya wa babe tumuchesele wangu. Tumaye makayo na babe mbaka tuniata hakke tu bisaga riso. Mario Museti na heru sukuru kwa sababu nkinka horo motewae. So kiro wakengwa toka kuora shilingi 2500 karibu mugitatara kwanda hembere harto na mkulima sangura hina wewe yeah ibara ni kana wewe hoge nguchiri na nyuma so tumarizani tufanyo hendi biskibe bira tukara wantu te tauje ne bara ni tumutara abi heni nyori mati bi wanserko nampenke naga tunange kuru dambuche ni moyo so kikimu funde ate mesi mungonchera atora hatana limu. Hawa lamuha kachupaka. Kana ora kunyuta kurusia 50 hapa letere. Unaenda harusi 50. Toa 50 mpe. Mora ibisikeni heo na kurusia. Kwani mchukui ha? Buchwa kabisa.
Ora ile senti.
Ana makaratasi.
Mungu machana makaratasi.
Okay guys,
Senti.
we try to organize how things go here and there. You see guys, we clear everything right now, so I'm heading this way. You know, you will try to imagine. Let me go and see. From a distance I see the house coming in good shape. You know, that's my grandma. Wow, I'm so blessed. My grandma, my great grandma, of which for the real sense I'm so blessed. I can't complain. So we try, you know, to see umeme shirati chirabe mai chuchiringi kojo ni sara konani komanger tiande te banga to getse hay. Wow. So I'm gonna show you how the house come in good shape. Teninga chichiringi komanger kumusba to mangera. Echibarain kana pa mong kiparatu. I'm speaking to my grandma, right? Tewaniyo. At chira atoke. As you see the house. That's how the house come in good shape. Hey. Today. This is the paradise. See guys how it's coming in good shape. Whoa. And it's very straight guys, I can't complain. You see the rope right here. The strength to be on a straight line. Imukie banga that. And jesh. Wow. It's a tough, no post, no nothing, but I'm trying, you know. Right now I have the machete. Oh, the car grazing here. Look at that. Hey cow. Right. We're gonna see how things go. You know. We are not faking things. I'm showing you the reality. I'm showing you the reality. Wow. Guys, the banana arrived. You don't even me. Hey. I bought for $1 is enough for you. Open Msaka. You're too hungry. Like a goat. So guys, even me, I need to taste. Imagine $1 for this whole banana. $1 moja. Anga kimwe. Tacho mukoli bitoke mwe. Bono bavara ohayo. Mkego muse.
Montako sarai. Nambi tatu.
Matamu.
Binombi tatu.
Abi. Ma tahara ko bitoke agutwena mikwabe.
Mikwabe kana hikuira bio.
Nombi tatu anabe Mungu moja.
Tigala bitatu.
Acha pengirikana.
Ngasikia gukora.
Bye.
Bana batulikara.
Imagine this banana.
Mura.
Bana bange kuri bitoke kanu.
Baje kuntura kuihambe gisiki.
Ego ribia obini. Wana tokope.
Mitakanwa hire no potea machuchu.
Tano.
Urengere hayo.
Masakata ya bitara siro ora bibere.
Very much. I can after the committee. Please. I'm too hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm looking for banana.
Say hello. Hello. Hey, with a new bag. Oh my god. And right now here, the rice have been cooked. You can see tomato and rice with my mama. So guys, right now it's lunchtime and the work is still going on. Haste, you know? Yeah. Oh my god, look. Okay, my stash was waiting, very patient. I can't complain on that. So let's go. This hen have some chicks here. Oh my god. Okay guys. Wakana kyokore. Kwani kukisima wale? Kiurusiri. Hero na monokere. Guys, let me go and see how things go. You know, I was left home a little bit here and there. So I need to see the work for today. Amazing, amazing one. Let's see guys. Please comment on the comment section. Let me know what do you think about on this vlog. Look at this. Kind of grazing here. I see people on the farm. ¿Cómo? ¿Ore tere barrain? Ah, ay roge go sar hoget. Anta ko sombara. Bosi wangu. Tema ne ero ore tere gane barrain. Hello. Sasi. Tata mruga tamote. Sasi. Anti nani rete? Hiyo ni asubuhi. Leo naambia ni beru kurusi.
Kana yendera. Ba kengerengege ba gotema mahe nonde tere.
Era ne erioro mo.
Tama ne hindete. Ono ke una
go kero kengiene pesa. So. Ama bate ba tu to come no ga guisa ka jo temo kamuro. No, ani ngura. Ene. Tu tamba musa kengo hanera kengero kwani nimbe hangana. Ai, kentanya rusiri bare no isironda tere.
Iya.
Tu chonda kurende.
Oh.
To kentanyi hara. Tutemu buda ntebi my bare no keche kuja nayo. So kuchenda to kenge ko mangera.
Mangera no.
Ma hawo ito hano. Tachongo.
Uya to kenge mangera.
Ah, ige to na ntebiri.
Ampa kenge tanya ta got.
Ah, chuigwe.
Sawa. You see me? I'm working.
Yes, I have the evidence here. You know, sometimes I'm doing with an evidence. Let me show you. The guy said, go and cut mango one. You're kibra gambir.
Haya, huyo mti nawapea bure. Siwezi wapea mti bure, alafu baadaye tena nikate kabiri yangu tena nibebe atikatu wewe. Nibebe tena kabiri yangu nilete. Mimi ni mjinga.
Nasumea mwaji, tuende tukate.
Ndeni mpaka pale kwangu mkate mti, kuna mti mmoja pale hivi. Na motaa chama ntemera mahindi.
Wigore. Tembo kenge parra. Eh? Aiko. Guys, no else. People didn't contribute. Me, I don't know how things will be. I don't know how things will be. So that's the evidence from my phone. Somebody said go and cut the tree and bring back. Guys, right now no option. So I decided, you know, to go indirect on people's forest. I cut. But it's my neighbor. So what should I do? Well guys, I need to see some 2 posts here, and I realized 3 are very important. Today I struggle a lot. I struggle a lot, but it is what it is. Let's see them. So just over here, we try to see how things go. Me, I'm ready for anything, guys. Kane yo maere tambere alikia ntambere pa watema mwisho mpaka mwisho. Yeah guys, just over here I overwork a lot since morning. Oh my god, I injured my since morning, working at home, working at my grandma. Takanga takanga okovo.
Nego kanga ndate mama rokanense.
Takanga uniko recording. Wava hiviroka.
Mwe kana bona. Akine ga simbu yangu kwaramu.
I've already paid them money. No one who is complaining. So right now I'm just dealing officially with my grandma house. Right now. I'm going to top.
Yeah.
Oh. Torasore ko kora ko.
Go ne go. Maka ko soro kana iki. Ana tora komeke no kibusira.
Aru ayo kora ko.
Anda ko tawo kini kitino. Noko. No kuimera.
Imagine guys, at that time I'm risking my life, you know, to build my grandma house, because may just pull up on people's forest, I cut trees. But I'll talk with them later, because people said, oh, I want to contribute, but right now I never see anyone. So I don't know what people like, you know, they're giving us fake contribution. But the rest have been contributed, like 4 iron sheets and some nails. So, me, guys, for sure, let me work for my part. The rest, I left God to work for it, because I washed my hand. If you remember, even last time, I gave my grandma soup with my own money, and no one who contribute. Them get with that. Ma to get to Rembehara. Mato beto. So guys, like, you know, other people go working, looking for the money, and they're giving us fake contribution, like fake promise. Me, I don't like. Two hands. Atakoy. Okay guys, it is what it is. Hi there. What should I do? This is a panga here. So let me put the camera off and then I'll cut them. Look, it's tall, man. Guys, imagine how I work so hard. You know, this part right here. Anyway, it is what it is. But I want to see on the section of putting the iron sheets. We better no eh.
Hi guys, how are
Eh? Irengo kunguri.
Kuchore kerenge. Mire tore ko.
Ali mimi bali gomo. Guys. Eh? Nani hiyo koreshin. No hobo gani por? How much this?
15.
Mkimuto ratu sidi ninkoroki.
Sasa hii nimechoka bro.
Guys, this chicken here. Nyama igoti.
Nagonchela.
Tanto ambe tumo muwenye mara.
Usali video kimu.
Wewe chwang.
Kuma
komete kene moranko.
Tata. Irenga
Toma kumarara.
Irenga kango kenge atichinte. Takala bichinte.
Tem que habitar no tema masa benda ngashita.
Ichinte.
Yo tema masa buke bare ni ngashita kupara.
Tuko kenga.
Ma kumere randa yo kenge tuke temere ukikoro. Ngande mimi simu ya perichimbire chane chirenge. Kala mkungo na napashibano pako. Guys, it's time to go. Mama utacha mahindi. Push. Wewe kiro atako na ukuchamba.
Isunga ndo utundi kuyamba.
Ya tusukume.
So kumanya mwana bro. Aya nako. Aya. Nako kabisa. Mango na kuhumia kuja bande. Mubo ay rontura kore kuja bande no iga.
Tu.
Aya. Aya. Akaba tebiga temana.
Bado mtaya komo.
Unini ngumiri hano.
Sawa, okwati ongeche.
Hey.
I have some panga here and sword. So we're gonna go right now. This crazy day for me. I think since my entire life doing things like this. But it's because of my grandma. I just do it. Yes, my people, let's go home. Right now, but my trees are somehow big, and when I'm going to demolish my mama's house, I need to build a shell aside, so mama can have a place to stay. So that's the reason why I left these trees here. I know most of the people ask me, "Hello, baby, why don't you cut your trees?" Yeah. So I need, when my mama, I demolished that house, I build a small shed which can enable my mama to stay there. Wow. So let's go. Yes, we just volunteer. One day maybe I'll have my own company. Okay guys, I need to rush and wear my jacket because I have the condition, climate, something else. Motore ngora.
Uranchero esa. Nakoba.